Fellow traders, welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and tonight we will discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But before we dive in, we have an update for our subscribers. Tuesday afternoon, we sent everyone an alert on a Nasdaq Biotech trading under $4. Tonight, that company and the Cleveland Clinic released positive new data from its phase 1 breast cancer trial. The stock is trading $4.60 in the after hours. Congrats to all subscribers. If you are not already a subscriber, what are you waiting for? To get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of our ebook, The Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from insiderfinancial.com. We don't run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Well, guys, from this week's video watch list, the standout winner is ALT. This just goes to show you what a biotech can do if you get good data. Company put out the other day, they announced positive top-line results from Momentum 48-week Phase 2 obesity trial. Everyone knows what's going on with Ozempic, Wegovy. This is the holy grail. This is what everyone wants. They want that miracle weight loss drug, and ALT is in the sweet spot. It says here, achieve mean weight loss of 15.6% on a 2.4 milligram dose of its drug at week 48, with weight loss continuing at the end of treatment. Over 30% of subjects achieved 20% or more weight loss on 2.4 milligram dose at 48 weeks. Robust reductions in BMI, body mass index, and serum lipids, and improvements in blood pressure without imbalances in cardiac events, arrhythmias, or clinically meaningful increases in heart rate. So whereas Wegovy, Ozempic are using the the shot into into your stomach or whatever, it looks like this is a pill. So this is if everyone could take a pill, that's what they would rather take than an injection. So this is big news. And then this is Fierce Biotech was out with an update on December 1st talking about it. It says Altimmune seeking edge on Lilly and Novo puts heart health at center of phase 2 obesity data drop. It says here the tiny Altimmune is slinging stones at the Goliaths of the obesity market, facing well-set incumbents. The biotech pitched its mid-phase data as evidence that its GLP-1 candidate can carve out a niche in obesity patients at risk of cardiovascular events. Everyone knows cardiovascular disease, blood pressure, heart health, that and cancer are the two holy grails that everyone wants to focus on. So this is all positive news, and this is why the stock has been running. This was when it was announced. We got the sell-off. You never know. Markets are bipolar. You never know why, markets do whatever they do. There's a lot of things happening behind the scenes. This could have been a fund that loaded up and then they got the news and they just wanted out of their position. Once that seller was gone, retail and other institutions came in and they bought the dip. So again, this is the nature of markets. Why things happens. A lot of times no one knows, but you just gotta trade the chart, trade the trend, and listen to the markets. Like I said, I've traded all ALT all this week, and when the news hit and it immediately opened and started selling off, I said, oh, something's up here, so I did not trade it. But then you keep it on your watch list, and then we got the plays on Monday, Tuesday, and today. So this was just indeed great news, and just stocks in play. The way I look at it, what my watch list. Just because you don't get what you want on the day that the news is announced or whatever, you still want to keep it on your watch list because sometimes it takes a while for the data to sink in or the market to properly react, and that's what's happened in the case of ALT, and closed at 688. We're trading 702 in the after hours. So again, blue skies ahead here. I see no resistance overhead. We broke through this $6 resistance trend line here. So again, it's a lot of positive things on ALT. So congrats to those that have banked in ALT. Next up is a name that I've been covering, CERE. I flagged it here on the breakout this was the 200-day moving average, broke through that. We made this rounding bottom off the 50-day, and then just powering higher here. And then tonight we get the news that ABBV is buying the company for $8.7 billion, $45 a share. I like what this guy says. Pension Pulse, Crooks, big hedge funds knew this was going to be bought out, which is why you saw unusually high volume over the last 5 trading days. The company's working on Parkinson's. I said that there was a webcast coming out on December 11th, and it was buy the rumor, sell the news. So there was a catalyst that was coming up. I just had no idea that a buyout was happening. And I just feel, as I said, no one knows what's going on behind the scenes of a lot of these market makers. You got these dark pools, you got the hedge fund, high frequency traders, you got the algorithms. But, to go from 26, you buy out at 45, someone knew. You just get that feeling. Someone knew, someone was loading up. Look at all this volume. So someone made an absolute fortune in CRE. I wish I would have bought a lot more. But woulda, coulda, shoulda. We do the best that we can here. You're not going to win them all. You're never going to, maximize your gains. You just go about what you know and what you feel confident in. I knew something was happening here in CRE. I didn't think a buyout was coming. If it was, I would have mortgaged my house and gone fully in. But, what can I do? If you caught any of these moves, or if your thoughts on CRE, ALT, please leave a comment below. I read all the comments. Also let me know if there's any stocks that I didn't cover that you think I should be watching. Again, I read all the comments, and you guys put stocks that help me, and I'm helping you. We're all trying to help each other make money, because at the end of the day, that's all that matters. A couple of stocks here. LWLG, nice day today, up 11%. Had a corporate update last week that I talked about, that it was a positive update. So finally put in a bottom, and we're here just under $5. So congrats if caught this nice little move here in LWLG. BYND, 45% of float is short, just 13 days to cover. Just been squeezing the shorts here. Nice, slow, steady climb. I really like the price action. But in a lot of these names today, there is some caution warranted. First up is Carvana. Caught this move here on Monday. I talked about it. JP Morgan came out with an upgrade $40 price target. We ran right into the $40. It looked like the stock was going to keep climbing today, make new recent highs, and it sold off. Same with PATH, put in a triple top here, pulled back. So again, affirm. AFRM, this is another big runner that we've been covering here from 28, hit almost $42 today, or did it $41.89, and pulled back to 38.38. This is a bearish candle, guys. Here, this is a very sign of topping. So be cautious here if you are still long AFRM. Always use a trailing stop and always be booking profits, guys. You'll never go broke taking a profit. You know, again, no one's ever going to maximize the move. You know, if you can catch a big chunk of that, that's all we're trying to do here. And then in the after hours, just some negative earnings. CHWY, CHWY missed earnings, trading lower. GameStop, GME trading lower. AI closed at 29, was trading 26 in the after hours. So again, it just seems like the markets were hot. In November we had some big winners the past couple of weeks. And now it seems to be cooling off a little. I'm not saying the move is over, but markets get hot and then they cool down a little bit, or they go into a bear market. I don't see that happening. I think we're going to still get that Santa Claus rally, and then especially. I know a lot of people don't want to trade around the holidays, but that's when the volume is a little bit low, and that's when we see a lot of these outsized moves. So again, especially in low float, short squeeze plays, we can really still see a lot of big moves, and that's what we're going to be looking for and watching. But some new names there's 3 new names I'm adding to my watch list. First up is CYTO. They have a webcast coming up on December 11th, just an 8.78 million share float. This was a runner last week, pulled back here. We're going to run into some trendline resistance, but again, blue skies ahead. So if we get through, this is about 75 cents, I'd say. CYTO is really going to make a major move. And again, this is just an 8.78 million share float, but 48 million shares traded today. So that means a lot of people are watching this, a lot of eyes on CYTO. I think we can get more continuation in this one. Again, not financial advice, just trying to help you guys put stocks on your radar. As I say, trade green, not red. TRKA, this one is a past winner for us here at Insider Financial, closed up 44%, 16.2 million share float, 6.52% of that float is short. This chart looks primed. Again, we're trading above the 50-day, creeping up here. It looks like it's getting ready to make a move and test that 200-day moving average of 328. Again, low float, can easily run and squeeze the shorts, which is there's 6.52% currently according to Finviz, but I think there's a lot of shorts that have been trying to got in today. So I think we could, if this thing starts running tomorrow, we could see more squeezing. Lastly is GBIO, closed at $1.66 today, but some major insider buying coming in. A director, which is indeed a positive sign. On December 4th, he picked up $225,000 worth. On December 1st, he picked up $252,000, so over a $500,000 buy. And then 2 other directors buying as well, so this is indeed positive. And again, they were picking up here, $1.31 to $1.50. We're at $1.66 here. So again, look at this. If what can't go lower must go higher. Looks to have put in a bottom at $1. These directors obviously are privy to a lot of inside information, and they're making a bet here. So there's certainly GBIO is certainly one to put on your watch list. But again, guys, this is my actual watch list. I will, of course, be scanning pre-market, and if I see anything new to add, I will let subscribers know. So make sure you sign up. Here at Insider Financial, what we do is we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. And some of these stocks are making big moves pre-market. If you want to trade from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m., click our referral link in the description for Webull. Open an account and deposit any amount and get 6 free fractional shares, each valued between $3 and $3,000. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.